Hello guys. Okay, so it has been 1 week and 2 days since I have been allowed to see this guy, and it is the first time that I'm going to ride him. I am so happy. It is going to be a very light ride. I've been working him on in hand all this time. Come here, baby. And lunging him, of course. Viens, chat. Salut Maxime, ça va? I'm lunging him, and I just told myself that today I was going to get on him. I don't know if I will be able to do this with you guys. Let's see, because I haven't ridden him since for 2 months, so I'm just trying not to fall, not to let the the things fall. It's like everything has to stay. Non, topo, chat, ça suffit. Bouge pas. Yeah. I'm on. Oops. Okay, let's do this. Woohoo! Look at this guy. Weird. Oh my goodness, what happened to my camera? My camera is tilting. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to try and see what happened to the camera, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm back. I don't know why it tilted and it didn't want to detilt. Just like go upright maybe. I hope that my lens is clean. It's like the last time that I did a video, I realized that my lens was so geek. I'm going to try to clean it. Sorry guys. I'm so excited. I just didn't pay attention to anything. Look at this guy. Oh, where is he? Look at this little guy. Oops. He's starting to pick up a pace. We're cool, baby, huh? We're just going for a little mini trail ride. And really, like, don't spook. Because I'm holding a camera. Please. I don't know if I could, like, oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm going to try and just take care of my lens. Hold on a second. Are you going to be nice, baby? Like, no hands. Like, woohoo. Going to be nice, huh? Oh, come on. Yep. Oh, why I'm not here? Yeah. Oops, there is a... Oh, I'm gone. Where am I? Here I am. No, where am I? Where's this not? Okay, there I am. Oh. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. It's like if anybody sees me, they're going to say this woman is crazy. I'm crazy for this little guy. This little baby. Okay, back to me. Like, sorry guys, this video, like, I know that this vlog is going to be like whatever. Be nice, baby. Be nice. There's nothing. Nope. There's nothing to be afraid of. Hold on a second. Take my reins a little bit shorter. Doucement. Voila. He's just assessing everything. He really is a very calm horse. He's like really, I think that he's like bomb-proof. Like, you know, I can really take him and do whatever I want with him. But hold on a second. Can I go there? Oops. But he hasn't been ridden for 2 months, so I think I have to be careful. Anyways, like, doucement. Doucement, mon chaton. Tu vas pas sauter, hein? Non. Par là. Ah, ouais, par là. Attends, là. Par exemple, là. Oh, là, allez. Voilà. Yeah, if I speak a little bit in French, it's because I always speak in French to him. Sorry, guys. Oh, look at this place. My gosh, it is amazing. So yeah, I was saying that this horse is like, he's bomb-proof. He could have been a policeman horse because he's so cool. He's like, okay, whenever, if for example, well, I hope he's not going to like show you how this is not true. But for example, if he gets afraid of something, he's just going to like stop and just assess what's the situation. He's just going to, careful baby, to look at what's making him afraid. He's going to just decide if, is this really something that I should be running away from, or is it okay? And as soon as he realizes that it's okay, it's like, even as soon as I put back my legs on him, like when I tell him, okay, so now it's time to continue going forwards, he's like, okay, mommy, let's go forward. And I've had already like ridden him in the middle of like a windstorm, like really, guys, like the thing that you think that trees are going to fall on you, and he's like, okay, we're working, we're doing our thing, and he really pays attention to me. So I love him. I really love him so much. He's the right kind of horse for me, because I'm not a very, it's not that I'm not confident as a rider, because I have my horse skills, and yeah, I've done eventing, I've done show jumping, so that's something that I'm quite okay with. But the thing is that I'm not an adrenaline lover, not really. So yeah. Look at this place. Oh my gosh. Hope, guys, that it's like I'm trying to pay attention to see if the oh goodness. Okay, so this video is dedicated to all of you out there who are not yet allowed to ride or to see your horses. I know that people back in Colombia, because I'm French and I'm Colombian, I know that people back in Colombia, riders in Colombia, they are still not even allowed to see their horses. And it was pretty tough over there, because for 1.5 months mostly, it's like the only people that could go to see the horses were those who were giving them food, but that was it. Like, the horses were completely locked on their stall for 1.5 months without going out one single second, and that was so heartbreaking for me. It was horrible. And it's like, no, their feet weren't done. It's like, it was terrible. At least from 2 weeks ago, the government gave, oh, hold on a second, it's going to be a little bit anxious here, because there are logs here. There's, c'est bon chaton, c'est bon. He's like, things that are going to kill me. Look what he was looking at. So yeah, 2 weeks ago, like no chaton, the farriers and the trainers were able to go back and start working the horses, taking them out, shoeing them. Oh my goodness. So it was like, I was so happy when I saw that, and it was terrible. But yeah, I understand. It's like, I'm not going to criticize, really, guys. I am not going to do that, because it's very easy to say like, yeah, why did the government did that? It's like, they don't care about the animals, whatever. But the thing is that as soon as like everybody in the, all the riders and everybody started saying like, hey, our horses are really struggling. It's like they are completely blocked in a 4x4 stall. And as soon as people like really started sending messages to the government, like not even a week afterwards, the government said, okay, it's like, people can, like, not the owners, not the riders, they cannot still see their horses, but at least like the trainers and others can go, like the people that work, the professionals could go and take out the horses, etc., etc. So what I was saying, I'm digressing a little bit. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. What I was saying is that this video, this vlog, is really dedicated to all of you guys who are still not able to see your horses and not allowed to ride. I know what it is. It was the same thing for me for 2 months. I wasn't allowed to see Topo, this guy, for 2 months. It was terrible. And yet I knew that he was really well taken care of. It's like he was going out every day. He was in very good hands. But it was so hard not to be able to see him and not to be able to be with him. So yeah, this is for you guys. So I hope that just enjoy. Think that you're on my horse. You're riding Topo. He's a very nice guy. He is a gelding by Indoctro and Dauphin de Savigny. So he was bred to, yes, back there because I don't want to be in the road. Hold on. Ah, Topo, stop. Non, tu manges pas. Tu manges pas. Tu m'attends 5 secondes. So yeah, he was bred to jump. But thanks goodness, he's a very good mover because I'm a dressage rider. As I told you, I don't like, I'm not very fond of adrenaline. And so yeah, he's a very good mover. So when I go out on dressage with him, he is amazing. He is like, we win against like real dressage horses that move amazing, and it's like and the only reason why we win, guys, is because like every single figure is done to perfection. Of course I'm not perfect, but it's like I really try to make every single figure as perfect as possible. So maybe like the wow factor is not there because he's a jumping horse, he's not a dressage horse. Tu te fais pas peur, chaton. Oh, Jens, there's a snake. Oh, there's a big snake. Oh my goodness. So big. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh good. I don't know if I can show you. No, he's a little bit afraid. He's like, oops. Mommy, there is a big sliding thing. So yeah, what I was saying. Yeah, maybe he doesn't have that wow factor because he was bred to jump. He's an excellent jumper. He's so, like, he has lots of force. But because we really do every single figure perfectly, as perfect as possible, well, it's like we are able to get lots of points on our dressage tests. Sorry, I'm trying to show you my guy at the same time. No, we're not going back, not yet. Not yet. Oh my goodness, my camera is a little bit heavy, to tell you the truth. So yeah. Chaton. Well, there's one thing that I didn't do and it's not good. Oops. I didn't check my cinch. Oops, I think that it is really not tight enough, but yeah. Because you're not going to spook, nothing is going to happen. I don't need the cinch to be like correctly adjusted. Oops. Oh my god. It's like, how funny would it be if he spooks and my saddle slips? It's like, that would be like the worst thing for a trainer. It's like, yeah, Maria the trainer, and she doesn't even know how to saddle her horse. Yay! Ah, I'm so happy. Sorry guys. Okay, look at my baby. So yeah, you're riding this guy. Not open, no. And so he is 1.72 meters. He's a pretty big horse, lots of force, but such a gentle guy. Like really, he is. Well, he is just yeah. Okay, let's put this right. He is gentle in that he is really not going to try to make you fall. It's like he pays attention, okay? But when you are with him, he's like he's a brute. It's like when he cuddles with you, he's like boom boom boom, and you're just like playing chaton all over the place. So yeah, he's gentle, but he's a brute. There are brutes that are gentle, aren't there? This is one. So yeah, he is 13 or 14 years old. I don't remember. I've had him for so long. He's been in my family for so long. And I don't care about his age. He's just perfect. Non, tu manges pas. He is just perfect. Okay, so this is what I said. You see? He knew that there was a horse coming, and he just stopped, because he is like that. It's like he didn't spook. He wasn't like no, he just stopped, and he was like, oh, okay, something is coming, mommy, and I didn't even know. It's like he knows I don't. So non, t'inquiète, lui il t'a vu. Merci. And that's, I'm so happy that happened, guys, when I was showing you to him, because him to you. Because that's how he is. It's like whenever something strange is happening, he just stops and assesses. He's like, okay, so what's happening? He's like, should I be afraid? Should I not be afraid? And he was like, okay, a horse is coming, let's wait for it. And yeah, oops, sorry. Stay in the image. I'm trying to do like I'm putting the camera behind me. I'm looking backwards. I'm not even looking where I'm going. It's like, I think that I really believe I have a lot of trust in you. Because I'm not even paying attention to where I'm going. Okay, I see that this video is already 16 minutes long. I'm going to leave you here, guys. I hope you liked me bringing you, that I brought you with me. I hope that for all of you who are not able to ride for the moment, you will be able to do it. We'll be able to do it again shortly. That you will be able to be with your horses, and yeah, just it's going to be okay, guys. Okay? See ya. Bye. Attends, attends.